2025 how to be the best you in 2025. Welcome to the series of how to be a better you. Now we're currently busy with our educational series on AI 2025 how to AI, and you can go to part A, which was the foundations apologies of how to AI. Today is part B, part 2, the building blocks of AI. This is a program for beginners to come through this workshop with me. I also want to learn more. I want you to learn more. I want you to engage, and together we're going to go from the A to Z of AI. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is engage, learn with me, and let's become better and stronger each day. Now let's just get right into it, and welcome. My name is Stefan and welcome to 2025 How to AI. So part 2, artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field that blends numerous sub-disciplines from computer science, statistics, and even neuroscience. To truly understand AI, it is essential to break down its foundational components. We will explore the core building blocks of AI, which includes data, algorithms, models, and computational power. These elements work in tandem to enable AI systems to learn from data and perform intelligent tasks. Okay? Point 1, let's get into data. Data is the most essential ingredient in the development of AI systems. It forms the basis upon which AI learns patterns, makes predictions, and provides insights. The success of an AI model is often tied to the quality and quantity of data it is trained on. What types of data do we get? We get structured data, which is organized data typically found in spreadsheets or databases, such as numbers, categories, and dates. For example, customer records, financial data. Then we get unstructured data, data that doesn't have a predefined structure, including text, images, audio, and video. AI systems must be able to process and analyze these for more complex data forms. Data labeling. For many AI tasks, especially supervised learning, data needs to be labeled. This involves marking data with the correct answers or classifications. For example, labeling a photo of animals to indicate whether they show cats or dogs. And data pre-processing. Before feeding data into an AI model, it must be cleaned, normalized, and transformed to ensure the AI can use it efficiently. 2, algorithms. An AI algorithm is a mathematical formula or process that governs how a machine learns from the data. These algorithms enable machines to find patterns, make decisions, and improve over time. What type of algorithms do we get? Supervised learning. The algorithm learns from labeled data and is trained to map inputs to known outputs. It's often used for classifications, for example, identifying spam emails, regression, for example, predicting house prices. Then we get unsupervised learning. The algorithm works with unlabeled data, aiming to find hidden patterns, groupings, or structures within the data, clustering customers based on buying behavior. Reinforced learning. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. It's used for tasks like game playing, robotics. Deep learning. It's a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence deep. It's especially effective for tasks like image and speech recognition. And then we get optimized algorithms. These algorithms help in fine-tuning models by adjusting parameters to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Gradient descent is one popular optimization method used in machine learning. Stay tuned for the next part of our training. Welcome back to part 2, where we're busy with the building blocks of AI. So we got into data earlier, what types of data, types of algorithms. And now we're getting into number 3 is, I'm a little too big there, models. An AI model is the result of applying algorithms to data, which produces a mathematical representation of patterns, rules, that AI can use to make the predictions or decisions. Model training, the process of feeding data into an algorithm to create a model. During training, the algorithm adjusts its parameters to minimize error and better capture patterns in the data. Model evaluation, after training, a model is tested on new unseen data to evaluate its performance. Common metrics for evaluating models includes accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, depending on the problem being solved. Model deployment. Once a model is trained and evaluated, it is deployed in the real world, employed in the real world applications, where it will make predictions or decisions based on new input data. Number 4 is computational power. AI requires significant computational power to process large data sets and run complex algorithms, particularly in areas like deep learning. This power is often provided by CPUs, which stands for Central Processing Units, traditional processors that perform general purpose computing tasks. While they are versatile, they may not be fast enough for large scale AI computations. GPUs, or graphic processing units, originally designed for rendering graphics, GPUs are highly parallel processors that excel at handling the massive computations required for deep learning. They can process many tasks simultaneously, making them ideal for training AI models. Cloud computing, the vast amount of data and the high computational demand of AI often requires cloud platforms such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. These services provide scalable infrastructure for running AI models. And then edge computing, for applications that require real-time processing, for example, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, AI can be deployed closer to where the data is generated on devices or edge servers, minimizing latency and reducing reliance on cloud services. Number 5, neural networks. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the structure of the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, neurons, that process information. Deep learning is based on large, complex neural networks, often called deep neural networks. Layers in a neural network: input layer, the first layer that takes in the data; hidden layers, intermediate layers that transform the data through weighted connections; output layer, the final layer that produces the result of prediction. Training neural networks. Neural networks are trained using back propagation, where the network adjusts its weight based on the error between the predicted and actual output. The process is repeated interactively to minimize errors. 6, feedback and iteration. Gee, I can't even pronounce that. AI systems often improve through feedback loops. In supervised learning, feedback is received through the labeled data that guides the learning process. In reinforcement learning, the feedback comes from the environment in the form of rewards or penalties. And iterative or iterative refinement is key to AI as the system continues to improve its models and predictions over time. So in conclusion, I know it's a lot. I'm also confused, but we're going to learn. The building blocks of AI: data, algorithms, models, computational power, and neural networks work together to create an intelligent system capable of solving complex tasks. By understanding these components, we gain insight into how AI systems are constructed and how they function in practice. In the next part of this series, we'll explore how these AI building blocks are integrated into real-world applications like natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Welcome to 2025, How to AI. It's complicated, it's fun, we're gonna learn. Save and bookmark for later. Bye.